Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can upload a file from your Google Drive storage to CloudConvert to convert it to another file format. So let us dive into this. For this method, guys, you will need to be logged into your CloudConvert account. Once that's done, navigate to the homepage of CloudConvert, and then here you will see this field. So what you want to do is click into that drop-down menu next to select file. And here choose from Google Drive. You will then be redirected to Google Drive. And what you want to do, guys, from here is navigate to the given folder. I don't know, that one here, for example. You can also navigate to the file, right? So I will go with this one here or that one, and then click into select to upload it. Well, it's not an image, it's a document, but it works the same way. So navigate to the given image in your Google Drive storage, just using the method I just showed you. And then, guys, you will be given the opportunity to convert the image from the input format, which is usually, I don't know, JPEG, PNG, and so on and so forth. And then to the output file format, navigate to image and choose the output format you would like to use, like PNG, for example. Click into convert at the bottom. You will see the file here. It's one file, and I also go through these options. For example, change the pixel density, the width and the height of the image. And once it's done, click it to convert and wait for the converting process to be finished. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.